Alright, hey guys, what's up? CJ with Canopy Tree and Landscape here. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today we have an unboxing. We got a nice big old package from Beaver here. I haven't looked at anything in here yet. I just cut the tape and then realized I forgot to hit record. So, we're going to start over. I ordered some stuff from Beaver and I am very excited to try it out, to see it, and to play around with it. So why don't we just jump right into this unboxing and then we can go over some of the stuff I got. Get some leg pads. Nice shirt. It's the EKG shirt. Nice wicking, like athletic feel to it. Put that somewhere where it won't get dirty. And the main bread and butter is we got a 2.0 harness. Beaver. So we'll go over that in a minute. Also got a high quality H2O pouch and a Camp Kilo clip and some stickers somewhere in here. So I love my stickers, so always gotta get something. But this is the main thing. Let's see if we can change this a little bit. This is the main thing that I'm super excited about, is this 2.0 harness. The saddle that I've been running for a while is just a cheap Buckingham one. So it is not fancy at all, but it's got the job done. And now I'm excited to be able to actually have something a little comfortable. I got the Woodland camo on. Big fan of camo. Been in the military for almost 10 years now. Grew up playing in the woods, playing Army. So I was a little excited when I saw that. I love Woodland camo too. So it's always nice. My Buckingham saddle doesn't have a bridge like this either. So this will definitely be nice. Might eventually switch over to an adjustable one. But for now, we're gonna run it, see how it works. I feel like it's gonna be a game changer just having this bridge now, because I'm really not gonna know what to do. When you get it, it comes with the way that the harness is. You have the option of adding some leg pads, which I did. They just Velcro on. Nice, easy clips for the legs and your waist. You got some accessory hangers, two on that side. The back, you just got another little accessory loop and then a clip that you can put on somewhere, for like a chainsaw lanyard, something like that. It's also why I grabbed this Camp Kilo, so that way I can hang my saw on it good. Now I gotta put this thing together. And that's gonna be the struggle. It's just putting it together and adjusting it, figuring out the right way to have everything. Just put these leg pads in first. I mean, normally, if I'm on a big job, it might take me a few hours to be up in the tree. I'm definitely not the fastest climber, but I want to be comfortable when I do it. So that was one of the big reasons I invested in a new saddle. So that way I can just be comfortable. So you have, where is it, right here? You have your saddle compliance. So that'll be on your left side. Your saddle compliance standards for AMC. Your size, the manufacturer date. So today is February 8th. And this saddle was made on February 2nd. So pretty much freshly made just for me. I'm not gonna complain about that one at all. So I'm gonna put this on and adjust it to my size, and we'll kind of figure that out together. So this is the first time that I am putting this on. I gotta figure it out. I'm a little fatty, so who knows if I'll even come close to fitting right away. Too much stuff in my pockets too. Oh yeah, definitely a little chunky. That from what I have seen in the videos is to leave these top ones a little bit loose, and with the new 2.0 you have an elastic one that you can tighten up so that way your legs don't move as much. More for if you are sitting down, say in the saddle, or if you're riding the crane or something like that, you can kind of sit at a better angle, so that way you're not like all crunched up and everything like that. But I mean, overall it feels pretty nice. I don't know what anything's made out of, so I can't really speak on that, but it definitely fits good. I'm just gonna have to figure out how to set everything up the way that I want it. But just feeling it, I am definitely a fan. You get a SMC reading ring for your bridge. It comes on it. It's 28 millimeter and rated for 32 kilonewtons, which I haven't done a kilonewton conversion in a long time, so I kind of forget what that's at. But you got a lot of rock exotica stuff, everything like that. Definitely feels comfy so far. Hopefully adding these extra leg pads on too will help. I cannot tell you, it feels so much different than wearing my my Buckingham one. The back on it goes up a lot more higher, so it feels like I have a lot more back support. That's definitely pretty nice too. I mean, I saw it's gonna be over here. I guess water in the back. We'll have to figure that out. So I'm gonna pull this off. We will put the water holder and the Cape Kilo on the side, and we'll go over it a little bit more. We are figuring this one out together. Move some of these clips. This is the clips I was talking about. You have a actual clip one and a D-ring one. You also have another D-ring on here. We're gonna put this high quality H2O holder, as they call it, on first. So it's just a little strap style thing. Everything on here is, if you're familiar with like any Molly webbing, it's kind of like that. So you just feed it through, and then on the back of this one, you just have a built-in clip that you run the webbing through. So that's nice and easy. Also cinches down to make sure that you don't drop your water bottle, which is cool. I'm always thirsty after the trees and I never have water with me, so that will definitely be a nice little touch. This kilo, I have no idea. I'm pretty sure you pull it apart and screw it back on, clamp it on. So we'll look at the instructions for that. Yep. So we got a little Torx on here, and it says to unscrew the pieces and you clamp it on. So let me grab something to cut this with. Oh, we'll just do that. So you gotta unscrew the clamps on this. They are safety Torx, so they have the little hole in them. This is also a pain to get at. Definitely don't make this one easy. So go one out. And there's the other one. So you feed this through. I'm gonna say I'm probably gonna want it somewhat close, like right in there. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe a little bit back. We'll put it on this back one for now, and then we'll adjust it if we have to. So you got that. Then your other clamp goes on. Definitely a little tough with the tension of everything, but we're trying to make it work and line everything up. The problem with this is you have to hold down the tension of the spring while also trying to line up everything else and line up these screws. So we got that one started. See if we can get this other one. There we go. And then you want to kind of make sure that it's all lined up on the middle of the webbing, so that way it goes on evenly. So do it that way, and then we'll crank it down. So that's that. Figured it out good enough. I can't tell if these are metal or not. Right, yeah, that sounds like metal. I was gonna say they just seem like plastic, and scaring me a little bit. So we got that there. I mean, we'll be able to just clip our chainsaw lanyard onto there. I'll grab a chainsaw quick and kind of show you. So this old saw T435. I have it on a carabiner because I didn't really trust the way that it was, but you can always just clip that right onto there and then just slide down the Z-rings. That way it just hangs all nice and just unclip it nice and easy. What I've seen people do too is I've seen people just cut this off, so that way it's just the actual clip. You can do that. We'll see if I like it or not. We got our two other accessory carabiners for clipping on your ropes, extra slings, stuff like that. I don't think I'll need more. If I do, you can always buy more. I think I'll be able to get away with two and just kind of stack the stuff. But that's it's definitely sweet. Can't wait to use this. I have a tree in my yard that I've been putting off taking down for a while now, so I might get someone to come help me. It's over the power line, so I gotta zip line some stuff and run some ropes. But I might get someone to come help me, just so I can test this thing out and test out the new saw, because I'm just really excited to put this thing on and go climb with it. But that's pretty much all I got. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you for right now. Nice unboxing from Monkey Beaver. This is the Monkey Beaver Saddle 2.0. They still have the original version for sale. 2.0, you get a lot more colors and the options, and like the way that you set things up is a little bit different, but they're still fairly similar. So I'm really excited to use this. The thing looks sweet, already feels comfortable, and I haven't even been in a tree with it yet. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you want to follow along more. Hopefully soon I'll have a video up while I'm in this harness doing some work, or just I might even throw a line up in a tree just to climb up and test this thing out and play with it a little bit, get the adjustments perfect. But yeah, like I said, that's all I got. So feel free to subscribe to the channel. Give us a follow on TikTok, Jesus, and Instagram at Canopy Landscape LLC. You'll find us there. We're trying to post more on there all the time, and we hope to have some more great videos coming for you soon. So we appreciate your view, and have a nice day.